Hello traders, this is only a brief explanation for our ZTA journal on how you can use it to journal your trades, your analysis, weekly forecast. You can also journal here your prediction for the day and the outcome of the market. Alright, so after clicking the link, you will arrive into this website. You can click the duplicate button on the top right corner. That duplicate button is found right here. You can simply click this right away. After clicking the duplicate button, you will arrive in this area. But before this, you will be asked to choose where you want to put your journal notion. This right here is your own personal journal. You can simply remove all of the instructions right here to make it your own. Alright? So here is how it looks like. Right, so this journal is only a simple journal. I don't want to make things any complicated, right? So we have here a calendar. In this calendar, you can exactly see every day of the week. For example, you traded in May 17, 2024. You can simply click this button right here and you can add the details and your journals right here and it will look like this. Alright, so let's try it. Let's click 17. In here, you can put the pair or asset that you traded. So for example, Euro USD. Right, so let's put Euro USD right there. And notes, you can put any notes that you want in this. And the results, whether it's a win or a loss. Right, so here is our templates. Here is the template for daily journal. And here is the template for weekly analysis. So for example, we have just taken a trade. You can click this template right here to journal your trade. And this is what it looks like. Before taking a trade, you can place your analysis right here. I will show you an example. Alright, so here is the example that I made. In my prediction section, you can place exactly your analysis before even taking the trade. So we have here my predictions is since we reacted into a 4-hour order block right here, you can double click the picture, right? So we reacted into this 4-hour order block right here and the price rejected going higher. We have rejections right here. My bias now is bearish. I want to see price retrace back into a 1-hour order block and I will look for entries inside that area for short positions. Alright, so here we have our 1-hour order block. I wanted the price to retrace back into that 1-hour order block before entering for a trade and aiming for this equal lows right here. Right, so here is a lower time frame analysis. I want to see it retrace back into the 15-minute fair value gap and continue going lower to take out the sell side liquidities below. Alright, so you can double click it. We have here a 15-minute fair value gap. It's an imbalance that the price always retrace back into to refill these imbalances right here. So I'm expecting the price to retrace back into this fair value gap before going lower, right? So here is what the price did, right? So you can once again put your analysis in here from the daily to 4-hourly, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and until your entry, right? So here is the daily. 4 hour, 1 hour, and here is what the price did. Right? So the price reached back and retraced into our 1 hour order block and 15 minutes fair value gap. And as we can see, we have taken out a buy side liquidity, shifted lower. We have here a fair value gap. I entered on the 50% of the fair value gap, stop loss in that swing high, and aim for the equal lows below. And as we can see, we have taken out that equal lows below, right? So I note here, perfect entry. Price took out that engineered buy side liquidity above before reversing lower. I entered on the market structure shift with displacement. Since the fair value gap is big, I entered on the 50% of the fair value gap, right? So here you can put your journal in a way of photos and text. This Notion template, you can use this to put your screenshots from the trading view, and the Excel journal that I gave to you, you can put there exactly in detail all the full details of all the trades you have taken, right? So here you can use to put the photos, the screenshots, and the Excel journal for full details, right? So in the same day, if you have traded another asset or pair, you can put your analysis once again in this template right here. If you have analysis for other pair, let's say GBP USD, you can enter right here another screenshot. All right, so that is up to you. This is what it will look like when you have journaled your trade. Also, you can put colors right here, this green circle right here and this red circle right here, to signify whether you have a win or a loss. Simply hover into this upper part, add an icon, go to icons, and click this circle right here. You can choose red and green. You can choose what color you want. Right? So for example, green for a win, and you will see just like this. All right, so also if you want to journal your weekly forecast or weekly analysis, you can click this template right here and you will have a template for weekly analysis. All right, so as we can see right here, once again, you can put your predictions in this call out right here. Also, you can put your predictions right here, and also you can put your analysis in here. A more detailed analysis in weekly, daily, 4 hourly, and 1 hourly, right? So this is just a simple journal for journaling your trades. If you want to add more details into your own personal journal, that is up to you, all right? You can make it more detailed. You can add more columns, right? For example, let's add another column right here, right? 2 more columns, right? So here you can have 2 more columns. If you want to add another call out like this one, you can add another call out. So here we have another call out, right? So you can modify your own personal journal in the Notion template. That's up to you. All right, you can play with your own personal journal. And also we have here a table section. As we can see right here, this is a more clean approach if you want to see the table version of all the data that you have created in this calendar, right? So as we can see right here, the win, you can see right here the date of your trade, the result of your trade, and the pairs that you have traded. Right? So you can also add your notes right here. Right? So once again, you can modify your own trading journal in your own personal preferences. So that's up to you. All right? So that's it for this video. This is just a brief explanation for this trading journal. Alright, so once again, you can use this journal for journaling your analysis in a complete way in terms of text. And if you want to journal your trades in more of like a statistical way, you can use the Excel journal that I have given to you. Right? So that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.